to our channel, the IELTS Listening Test channel. Hope you all are doing great. Here I am back with a new video, and in this video I am going to discuss with you the speaking cue card. In this I am going to discuss with you the sample answer of this speaking cue card to help you guys to prepare for the real exam. So without wasting much of the time, let's start with the video. The cue card is speak about a museum you have visited, and in this cue card we have to cover these 3 to 4 points. What are those? Name of the museum, where it is located, when you visited, and what you saw there. So basically our cue card is on museum. So let's have a look on the sample answer. So starting with the sample answer, museum are the places that unreveal the glorious history of past. So first of all, we have given the definition that what the museum is. Next line, by visiting a museum, we get valuable information. As we all know, from museum we get a valuable information. So by visiting a museum, we get a valuable information about the past. Museum is something related which keeps the things that are related with the past. So depending on the nature of their collection, museums are categorized into different types like art, science, historical, religious, and so on. First of all, we are just giving an overview of the topic that what the museum is. 2 years ago, I visited a religious museum attached to the Golden Temple in Amritsar. So our first question was name of the museum. So what is the name of the museum? That it is attached with the Golden Temple in Amritsar. This museum narrates the history of Sikh religion. One can see the pictures of all the 6 gurus there. As the history of the Sikh religion is unfolded, one came to know more about the torture Sikhs had to face in the hands of Mughal soldiers. Next, the weapons used in wars are exhibited there, like swords, bows, and arrows. Moving further, also one came to know about the dressing and lifestyle of the people of that time. One can judge the lifestyle and the dressing sense of the past of that people from the museum, because in museum everything is exhibited. The next one, in total, it can be said that for anyone who wants to learn about Sikh history, here we are talking about a museum related to religion. If we are talking about something else, we can mold our cue card according to that one. So in total, it can be said that for anyone who wants to learn about Sikh history, the best way is to visit the museum. So this was the sample answer of the cue card in which they asked about the museum which we have visited. So this was the sample answer. You guys can prepare like this for your real exam. You can mold your answer according to you, like the museum which you have visited, and you can just get a hint from this cue card that how you have to make your own cue card. So I hope this video will really help you in the preparation of your speaking exam. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the IELTS Listening Test channel, and also press the notification bell icon to get the updates of all the newly updated videos. Thank you. Stay tuned.